Today we're going to talk about the 8 benefits of something called alpha-lipoic acid. Now, there usually is a confusion with this fat because most people refer to it as ALA, and they confuse that with another ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. This one is omega-3 fatty acid. This one is completely different. So we're going to be talking about this one today. It has some really interesting properties. It's a very powerful antioxidant. When you're exposed to various things from radiation, oxidation from the environment, from your diet, from exercise, stress, nutrient deficiencies, you get all these free radicals that actually can damage your DNA. They can damage the cellular membranes. They can damage your mitochondria. So alpha-lipoic acid is a very strong antioxidant that can protect you. One of the main things it will help you with is sensitizing glucose and insulin. So if you have insulin resistance, if you're a diabetic, this would be a good thing to take because it helps to normalize both insulin and glucose. And about 60 to 70% of the population has insulin resistance, so it's a really good thing. So it will help your blood sugars. It also will help increase glutathione, which is another very powerful antioxidant that your body can make in the liver, and it's known as the master antioxidant. So these antioxidants come in networks. You have antioxidants for proteins, mitochondria, for fats. There's all different kinds. Another really amazing benefit of alpha-lipoic acid is its ability to inhibit certain types of cancer. It actually will help you if you have something called autonomic neuropathy, which I will do a separate video on. This is a very common yet underdiagnosed condition if you have diabetes. And so if you have this neuropathy, you'll have problems with your digestion, your heart, your bladder, and the remedy would be to not only get on keto and intermittent fasting, but start taking 600 to 1800 milligrams of alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid mainly deals with the protection of lipids or fats. That's why it protects your cell membranes. And that's a very important thing because if there is damage to the membrane, all sorts of things can happen and it can really make your health very unstable. And the other thing it's good for is the complication of inflammatory conditions and diabetes, especially, as in diabetic retinopathy. If you have high levels of sugar, one of the damaged tissues is the retina of the eye, not to mention the kidney and the heart and the brain. But when you have damage to the retina, alpha-lipoic acid is a really good thing to help minimize the damage from that condition as you get on a healthy keto diet and you do intermittent fasting at the same time. You want to take it on an empty stomach if you're going to take it as a supplement, but you would get it in organ meats if you consume organ meats like liver, kidney, heart. It's also in spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, and quite a few other foods, but not in high concentration. So if you have a major condition that you're trying to deal with, you would want to take it in a supplemental form. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.